Hi beauties, it's Jean with Beauty and the Stamper, and we are going to be putting together our paper pumpkin for the month. So let's go ahead and get started here. And let's see. All right, so I have picked everything and put them in separate little categories. So first things first is we're going to make this card here. And I love Paper Pumpkin. It's a subscription box. It comes each month, and I'm always wondering what the next one is. So we're going to go ahead and grab one of these Thankfuls, one of those. We're going to grab a card base, and we're going to grab one of these guys. And then you can make two more, or you can also make alternatives. So let's go ahead. It comes with all the instructions, but I'm just going to make it as we go. So I'm looking here, and I think we're going to want these little acorns. And then the Cajun Craze is what it comes with, but I already have a big one, so I'm going to leave that closed one. That way I can have it as a giveaway for a future class. And while I'm doing this, I'm going to get out my other ones as well, so we can just get them all taken care of. We're just going to put that one right in there. And there we go. We've got that one done. And then we can put it all together. We're going to take this and we're going to add some little dimensionals here. And it comes with all the dimensionals you need. If you wanted to get a subscription box sent to your house, you can go ahead and go to beautyandthestamper.com and go to My Paper Pumpkin tab, and you'll be able to get that subscription. You just need to do so by the 10th of each month, and then you'll get it usually before the end of that month. You can cancel at any time, so it's really nice. You could pause it if you need to. So I don't think I've paused at all in like the last 10 years. So they're just some great cards, and this is perfect for a beginner. So I'm just adding these little guys to make sure everything's popped up, and they give you so much that you don't need to worry about will you have enough, because you definitely will have enough. I have so many of these little dimensionals just because I get so many each month. So then when we take these off, I use my Take Your Pick tool. If you follow me on the YouTube, you'll know that I have this tool in everything that I do, even when I'm not doing stamping. If I'm doing like a Dollar Tree DIY or something like that, I still seem to use this quite often. And I love this because you just stick it in there and pull it off. Now we're just going to take this little guy We're going to kind of line it up, push it down, and then we're going to do this again with these guys. And I'm just going to put 3 on there. And while I have that out, I'm going to do my little thank you as well, or thankful. And I'm going to put a couple of those. So let's go ahead and put this one right here. And then this one, you'll see it's not as easy to take them off with your fingers. And then we'll put this one right, we'll put it right here. And there we go, one card done. Quick and easy. So let's see here. It's just taking a minute here. We're going to move on to the next one very shortly. But again, if you wanted to place an order to be able to make your own paper pumpkin cards, just go to Beauty and the Stamper and get on that paper pumpkin subscription. And I do get all these stamps, and it gives you this so you know exactly what the stamps are. So, and I will show you. I then take the envelope that goes with it, and I take this and fold it backwards, and then I take this one, and this is how I store all my cards, and just put that in, and then this side is showing what the card is, and it's always got the envelope, and it stores very nicely, just like that. Got right here. This one is going to be a nice thinking of you. We're going to have this one. We've got that. It comes with some great ephemera on here. And again, I'm just going to get all 3 out. It gives you extra, but I'm going to give you 3. And we've got the base. And we're going to put this one, I'm just going to put this one down with some multi-purpose glue here. And you can do it however you want. It gives you directions how to do it. They want you to pop it up, but I want to pop up all the little fun stuff that comes with this card. So there we go. And then I'm going to clean off my stamp from earlier. I just have a little sponge here. And then I'm just going to clean that right off. Let me get those stamps. This thing wants to keep falling. I don't really use the directions, but that's all right. So let's see. Thankful, I did like that. Thinking of you. We could always use thinking of yous, right? So I'm going to do that. All right, so we're just going to stamp these little guys here. And if you mess up, there's two sides to each piece of paper, so that's good. Okay, we got that. So we got all of our 3 done, so we can make our 3 cards. And they all came out pretty nicely, so I don't have to redo it. Let's see. I'm gonna clean this off because I did notice that there are some Hi, thank you for joining. Thank you for watching. We're just making some cards here. But I had some little, like, I don't know, they're little geese or something. So I'm going to switch this out. And we're going to put some little geese or ducks, whatever the case may be. Oh! Right there. So now we have some little geese flying south for the winter, I'm assuming. And we're going to go and put this together now. So, got my stamping done. We're going to get our little guys out. I hope you guys are all having a great evening. And we're going to adhere these with some dimensionals. So I only need a couple. And we're going to take that beautiful ephemera there. We're just going to put them right here. And we'll take this little fox here. And we'll pop him up. And I'll also put one on his tail. So I knew I wanted to pop these pieces up, so that's why I laid the other part flat. So, let's see here. I'm going to put this guy right here. And then we'll put this on here. And then we'll be done with card number 2. So again, if you want to get a subscription box for yourself, maybe for a Christmas gift for somebody who loves paper crafting, you can go to beautyandthestamper.com and be able to excuse me, you'd be able to sign somebody up for a subscription. You could actually let me see here. You'll be able, I'm looking for the right card. You'll be able to actually buy a subscription for 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, or 12 months, depending on what you'd like. And if you get them just for 1 month, they get to try it and they can continue, or they could cancel or pause their membership. But here we go. Here's card number 2. So if you're just joining, here's card number 1, card number 2, and we've got one more card coming.